I just feel like I should be at the beach. Today's style is completely glueless. I didn't even tape down the sides, but I do show you guys today a trick that you can do. So today's wig is all about color, texture, simplicity. If you really like your wavy styles, you like your highlights, then here you go. You have it right here. Today's wig comes from Nadulahair. I will link them below in the description box. Let me know in the comment section, do you prefer your wavy styles with highlights or without highlights? Which one do you feel like look the most natural on you, or do you just feel like look the most natural overall? But I'm gonna show you today how I installed today's wig and also just take care of the hair straight out the box. So yeah, let's jump right into it. Thumbs up the video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, by the way. Let's get into it. Today's wig comes from Nadulahair. I will have it linked below in the description box. Here are all the contents you get inside of your box. You can see out of the box, the wig comes with pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots. Here is what the new cap construction look like. You do get the new adjustable band, which is very comfortable, a comb in the back of the cap, and also the grips around the wig, the silicone grips on the inside. And this is how much parting space you get. It's a 13x4 wig. And of course, they also added the drawstring so that you can get a secure fit without any glue. Absolutely gorgeous. Out the box, I don't have to do nothing to the hairline. I am really excited about today's style. This highlight wig is gorgeous. It's a honey blonde color as they consider, but if I had to put numbers, it's like a 30-27. They did add tape to the sides for a glueless wear. The knots are pre-bleached. It comes with a side part. If you want to change it to the middle part, you absolutely have the option to do that. So this is their 150% density. It's 24 inches, so it is the longest length that's on the website. However, you can get it in a shorter length from 16 all the way to 22. The strap works just like a bra strap. You just slide it to fit your head. And the great thing about that strap is that once you tighten it, you can instantly see the lace lay down. You can feel the secureness of that strap. It's so comfortable. But you could just tape the sides down here on each side and then take the drawstring for extra secure hold. Just pull that string. It's not super tight, it's comfortable tight. Let me show you. Look at how that slides underneath there. You are like me and you don't care to put tape here all the time. It's up to you. You can actually go and put a slit right here at the hairline area, so it won't push on the ear. That way you can get a really flat fit without gluing it down or adding any tape. Also, you can see for yourself that they made the cap fit around the ear. If you don't want to put a slit, you can always take the lace right here. I folded a piece of the lace so that it won't hit the ear and just tucked it just a little bit. Just push it there and then just go like this. Look at that. I mean, it works out the same, right? You don't have to do any frustrating curling. You can straighten the hair if you want to, but remember, over time, if you keep applying heat over and over again, it will loosen even more than this. Okay, I love my colored highlight wigs. I really do. But I do notice that sometimes, and you guys can let me know if you notice this too, the blonde can be a bit on the yellowish side. I prefer my blondes on the more ash blonde side as far as highlights, or even golden. So if you have that issue, if you feel the same way, then I would recommend using like a what is those called? Like a toner you can put on the hair to kind of take away yellowy tones. Where's my hair mousse? So I'm gonna take a bit of hair mousse and just go down the hair. Now I'm getting a few loose strands of hair. It's good to wash it only because you can get the moisture into the hair. You can get out all the loose strands from them ventilating the wig. So yeah, so I'm just gonna just brush out this hair. So spray it with some more water. Plan to wear your curly or wavy textures to like a beach. Just make sure they do have shampoos that's made specifically for like getting chlorine and salt water out the hair. I would recommend doing that right after you come from your vacation. But remember, hair needs moisture. This is so pretty. And it also needs the unbrush. The unbrush is a must. You all always ask me, this wig says that it is Brazilian hair, so I'm going to let this dry down a little bit. But before I take a dryer to it, I am just going to go over the knots at the hairline with a little foundation. This is optional. right now is just creating some edges. It just suits, okay? So you can do whatever it is that you like to do with your wigs. I do have a full video on how to create the most natural edges. If you are subscribed to the channel, you go over there and you can see the playlist, and I have a detailed video. The end result looked like it was very simple to style out the box. This wig again is from Nadulahair. This is a 24-inch wig and it looks absolutely gorgeous, as you can see for yourself. All the tips that I share with you guys in today's video are very simple. We are still glueless and very secure. This is what the length looked like, and let me show you guys the back. Okay, comes all the way down there. Fluffed it out and I like it like this. I do find that the hair definitely needs some moisture. Conditioner wash, which I have no problem on doing, but this is the end result. This is what it looks like after I have diffused the hair. Drying the hair completely. Has a little bit of hold to it because I did use the hair mousse, but for the most part I like it. I love the way it looks. It's so pretty. You can switch up the parting if you want, because this is a 13x4 lace wig, or you can switch it to a middle, whatever you feel like looks good for you. I do love the actual color, the waves, everything just looks so good. So vacation ready, right? But this wig can also be worn as an everyday style. You can change the length if you don't want to go longer. I will be sure to link this wig below. This wig again is from Nadulahair. Be sure to check down below in the description box, and I will see you all back in the next video.